In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce first contentful paint or FCP for faster page load. So first contentful paint measures the time it takes for the first visible elements like text, image, or background to appear on the screen. So a lower FCP time improves a user experience and SEO rankings. Ideally, FCP should be less than 1.8 seconds. So first, before optimizing, you need to measure your FCP time. So you can use the Google Page Speed Insight or Lighthouse, Geometrics, or Web Page Test. So this is the Geometrics and this is the Web Page Test. So you can use these tools to check the FCP. So now to optimize critical resources, you can render blocking resources like CSS and JavaScript can delay FCP. So you need to minimize and defer JavaScript, remove unused JavaScript, and use defer or async to prevent blocking page rendering. So to optimize CSS delivery, you can minify the CSS and remove unused styles. Use critical CSS to load important styles first and load non-essential styles asynchronously. So to improve server response time as low server delays FCP, so you can use a faster hosting like VPS, dedicated server, or cloud hosting. You can also implement server-side caching, for example, Redis, Memcache, and so on. You can also enable gzip or broadly compression to reduce file size. And you can also use a CDN for content delivery network. So a CDN speeds up content delivery by caching assets on servers closer to users. So popular CDN are Cloudflare, Amazon CloudFront, on the Google Cloud CDN. So optimize fonts. You can custom fonts can block rendering and delay FCP. Use a system fonts or a font preloading. Use a system fonts like Arial, Helvetica, or sans serif for a faster loading. And you can use a preload critical fonts. Now, optimize images. So large images can slow down FCP. You can use a next-gen image format. You can convert it to WebP or AVIF for a smaller file sizes. You can also use a responsive images or to server a smaller image for a mobile users. And then after that, you can also lazy load off-screen images, and the second one is lazy load off-screen images. So load images only when they're needed, and then after that is prioritize above default content. So ensure critical resources are loaded first, and now preload important resources. You can preload hero images, CSS, and JavaScript needed for FCP. And the last one is test and monitor improvement. So after making optimizations, retest your FCP using Google Page Speed Insight or Lighthouse. If your FCP is still low, check for the remaining render blocking resources and unoptimized images or server delays. And that's it. That's how you improve first contentful paint. So improving it helps your website load faster and improves user experience. Focus optimizing CSS, JavaScript, images, or response time and font loading to achieve an FCP under 1.8 seconds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.